What's up, guys? It's your boy JGTechBlog, and I have a guest right here. Is TechRight. What's up, brother?
What's up, guys? Thank you for having me, man.
It's really exciting news. Metro's actually coming out with a new product. They haven't had this for a long time.
It says leaked images shown Metro PCS's May launch first standalone mobile hotspot data plan. So this is going to be one of their first standalone mobile hotspots.
Yeah, so I think for $35 per month, they give you 10 gigabytes of LTE. And then if you want to add an additional data, you can add 2 gigabytes for $5, 4 gigabytes for $10, and 6 gigs for $15. So that's pretty cool. But here's the catch to that. If you do it as a standalone device on your account, I heard we don't have too much details about it, but you might end up paying like $70 if you just want to keep it on its own. But if you add it to an account that has an existing line on it, then that's when you get that for $35.
But yeah, that's pretty dope. Are you gonna personally get one of these? Are you on the Metro?
Yeah, most definitely, man. This is sick because a lot of times I wanted to hotspot when I'm on the go. When I'm going to those events at CES, I have a lot of problems using my phone.
Yeah,
I was trying to upload some things, but the connection was just terrible. So it's good to actually have this separate and actually be able to hotspot to my laptop and get my work done. So whenever I'm in the airport or in the hotel, they don't have a Wi-Fi connection, this is going to be perfect for people that travel a lot as well.
And the extra feature it says too as well for your family, it says connecting up to 15 devices all at once. So if you have a family, you have a kid he's crying or something, and on your car ride home or whatever, pop on some Netflix, pop on their favorite cartoon or TV show. This is what you guys should expect. As you see, not that big of a device. We're gonna have these stands in the store, that say 49 bucks or whatever. But yeah, $50 for the actual device, $35 a month to get 10 gigabytes. We're going to, obviously you can do top-ups, $5 for 2 gigabytes, and so on and so forth. So really awesome news.
This is coming out again Monday the 22nd, and as you guys can see from the price tag, the price originally is going to be $79, but they're most likely going to be doing a $30 like instant rebate. We don't know yet, actually. It might be instant rebate, it might be mail-in rebate, so you might have to mail that in and get that back in the mail. Again, all those details we don't know yet. We'll be updating you guys more on it Monday. But the official launch has been said that January 22nd. The device looks really small. You can fit that into your pocket. It's not too bulky, so you can take that with you wherever you want to go.